sleeping the sleep of the innocent. And he's out cold. He has a bit trouble breathing, but this is snoring, by the way. And sometimes he wakes me up with it. Cat's back in again. I'm not a doorman, you know. Yay, rack looks a little bit empty now. There are two more on Robinia. And well, this one looks reasonably alright. There's something new starting here. Oh no, that's a root. This is new. Oh, yeah. This one is doing the same. And there's a bit of rust here. And it's dry, it's just discoloration. Is here also, and it's not soft. And yeah, no. And again, these are on Robinia, they have to go. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today, but Brassia's Summer Dream, really strong new growth, but it's on Robinia. That's, yeah, basically the only Phalaenopsis type that works for me. It's on oak, and it's doing something with roots, but this is still here, and this is still here. My Encyclias, well, it's still with me, but it's only because of this. I have another one. Where is it? Oh yay, blue. There's the other Encyclia. And that's on Robinia, so that has to go. Oh yeah, here are the cats. There's the Catlitante Secret Love, and this one had a reasonable root system. It already had it when I got it. These two didn't have a, ooh, that leaf looks really, really bad. Well, what I said, these two didn't have much of a root system. This one, it grew on its own rhizome. It really, really tried hard to not touch the wood. Same as with this one. That's a no ID with pink spots. Yeah, pink spots. I got it from Digna, and Digna, what is the background of the pink spots? There's another piece of pink spots, and that's mounted on a piece of cork, oak, and that's because I couldn't fit it in a pot in a decent way. So yeah, a lot of setbacks. This is going to be a very, very big problem. It's an Alocera, I believe it's a Tahitian dancer. There's something coming here. Not sure if it's a new growth or a spike. Could be a spike, although, yeah, this is going to be a nightmare to get off. But it has to. Yeah. Caverstania, still not in bloom, but look at that. New growth and a new root. That's what we want. Plenty of new roots. Jaquiniella equitantifolia, and you saw in the video I made in the nursery that they had one of these, exactly the way I have it. And here are two new growths coming. There's one that aborted, and at this point I think I am, yeah, I can honestly say that it's not my care. It's the nursery it comes from. All the plants I got from that nursery are struggling. Few exceptions like the dendrochilum. There's the latest growth, didn't flower. Yeah, it's a bit a pity, but there's the latest growth, and I'm pretty sure that this will start chucking out new growth like clockwork, as it should. And do I have more success stories? Well, there's one, the Nora Tokunaga crossed with Aberrans, this one, the dark green one. Um, it was failing in the pot, it was failing in another pot, and then I started mounting it, and look at that, 3 new growths. No flowers yet, but I'm expecting these ones to flower next year. There's my Finlayannum, struggling, losing leaves. And there's Roch's Finlayannum. I can't even get it in frame. Keiki is growing, new growth is coming, although it's a keiki. But yay, roots production is good. A little dark update. Yeah, this is my Nobile collection, and well, that's not a Nobile, but that is a Nelly Eiler, not sure which color, but it got too much light. There's the my Spring Dream Apollon, and these 3 growths were beautiful, and they had lots and lots of leaves, and it suddenly started dropping them. New growth, and I'm not sure what to do with this one. It's on oak, and I think it looks a bit like the Comet King, so roots that are visible are made by keikis. These are all keikis. None of it is a new growth. Same as with this one, it's a star class, and well, you see, it's no bueno. It's doing all sorts of stuff, and again, this one is on Robinia, so this one isn't. And that cane there is a new cane, lost all the leaves. This one is going as well. That's also a star class, and this is a star class. Yeah. So I will be adding more pots to my collection if I have new pots, because I'm out. Oh yeah. This is the Cattleya digbyana I got from Digna. And well, the new growth is growing, and the roots are on their way to the media. Yay! Early morning update. The anosmum, no, a phyllum. That's the long one. Just got remounted, and I hope it's going to pick up. Oh, yay. Well, yeah, it's a case of waiting. That sad little thing, and that sad little thing are Firebirds. Not doing that well. It's on oak, but I think I'm going to give it another try in a pot. Small pot. I have lots of those. Cattleya nobilior. Yeah, I'll have to wait. Table is getting full. I just repotted Dendrobium, Comet King. Oh, that's the Dendrobium Speciosum, Peninsula Princess. Waiting for the first roots to show. It had an extensive root system, pot bound, didn't do damage, so it should be okay. There's the Memoria Christa Erdmann, sorry, and that's going to get a repot today. Yeah. Oh, Roger, look, your prima donna, a new growth, and it is a new growth. It comes from the base, it's not a keiki. And that's a bit too bad for Martin because I promised him the first keiki. Yes, early morning update. Oh yeah, those are still with me and still very, very fragrant. They lost the smaller sepals. So it looks a bit, yeah, Mickey Mouse like. Hey Mickey. You're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey Mickey. Yay, Mickey. Yeah, rambling again. 12 minutes. Okay, a little early morning update. Oh yeah, I changed the location of the Pleurothallus. As you can see, that little brown thing is an aborted growth, but there's a new one coming. And when I was fiddling with it, it came a little out of the pot and it's producing roots for the first time. So, and it's hanging in the path of the big fan, so it's moving the entire day. I'm going to punch some holes. Cold, not hot. And it's, oh, you can see here, it's busy with keikis again. Well, that's fine by me. This one is extremely happy. It's hanging in front of the fan. Wow, look at that. Roots all over the place. And I'm waiting for new growth. Yay. This is for Durrell. This is my pothos. And it's on the ground. And my house is about 4 meters high. That's 12 feet. And that's about 4 feet. And again, it's almost on the floor there. So that's 30 feet. Yay. Yeah, enough. 40 minutes later.